Let me explain how to fix the issue when Adjust Covers is not working in your app. Follow these steps carefully for best results. In the CapCut app on your phone, first ensure that you have selected the actual clip, as sometimes it can cause issues, you see. Adjust won't work if an overlay is selected, so always ensure you have the correct clip chosen for proper functionality. Make sure you have selected the Adjust option. If it still doesn't work, it might be because I didn't mention that an overlay is selected. As you can see here, if an overlay is selected, the text effects layer will be empty, so click specifically on the clip. On the video or clip, if it still doesn't work, try the usual method, which is simply restarting the app. Simply restart CapCut. As you can see here, this method always works effectively to resolve any issues you may have. If it freezes, simply restart CapCut. As you can see here, this often resolves the issue effectively. After working, or when you start editing a video, you will come out with something truly amazing. Now let's move to your video settings in CapCut, as you can see here, to adjust everything properly. Clear the cache, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, best of luck to everyone, and goodbye for now. See you soon.